Lauren's first time riding her new bike from Grandma and Grandpa in Australia. You say thank you to them?
Thank you.
Okay, you can ride it now. Yeah, Jessie can ride those bikes. Okay, you can ride now.
I get my big bike.
You did. Okay, go ahead and ride it.
Stop.
Is it fun?
Yes.
The dog's not sure what to think about it. Uh-oh. I thought you were going to go on the grass. Sophie, over here. Sophie, come over here, sweetie. Sophie. What?
Where?
Is it bumpy right there when you come down on there? Oh, the pedal fell off. Mommy didn't screw it on tight enough.
Yeah. You did.
That's okay. It just twists on, so Mommy can twist it on. Look.
Too much further off.
That's okay. It's easy to put back on, right?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. This is not a flow bike. It's a flow bike. Come on. Can I get out?
You can come out.
But no! I want to come out, but
You wanted to come out before Buddy?
yes.
Oh, it's okay. Come out now. Is it bumpy when you go down that part?
No.
It's not. Oh, my back.